In this video, I'll be talking about the Dag Hammarskjold stamp that was issued in 1962. The error stamp that was issued with the yellow upside down, and that's the one we're going to talk about here. On October 1962, the 1203 was issued, as you can see up here, the nice, beautiful stamp up here, and it was issued with no basic errors. As you can see, it's all nice and pretty. But the post office, because a sheet had gone out and was inverted yellow, the post office decided to issue a, a whole bunch of the same stamp and give it the quantity they printed of this with the yellow upside down. The post office printed over 40 million of these stamps. Let me explain the difference here. The sheet here, they printed in like 4 sheets is in one. They had 50 stamps on this side, 50 here, and 50 here. This was basically how they printed them, in sheets of 4. Then they cut the sheets apart in 4 different sheets, the big sheet into 4 different smaller sheets, like this. This is how they cut them apart. They cut them here and down through here. But in doing so, the post office didn't realize they actually created 3 different stamps. And as you see here, I've got them tagged A, B, and C. So we're going to take a look at them. So there's 13 different variations. So we're going to go through them now. This is the upper left sheet. This is the lower left sheet. This is the lower right sheet. And this is the upper left sheet. Here are the 3 different stamps. I'll notice them. This is the A, this is the B, and this is the C. Please note the A is on the left-hand side of the right-hand sheets. It's all white on the left-hand side of the stamp, and the rest of it's yellow. The B stamp is partially white here near the UN building with the yellow streak coming down and then the yellow over here. So this is 80% of the stamps are this type of stamp. The C stamp, again, is very much white on the left-hand side of the stamp, and they are on the right-hand sheets that were printed. And right on the edge, right there where the black line is, you'll see a yellow streak right down here and in the margin. So this is the first 3, A, B, 3, 1, 2, 3. The next one is the pairs. Okay, this is a B pair, as you can see, white on this side and the yellow streak right here. This is the BB pair with the yellow streak on the top of the UN building on both stamps. That's 80% of the stamps. And then we have the CB pair with the yellow here and then the yellow on top of the UN building over here. Here is a block of 4. You have all white here. This is the A and this is the B with the yellow on top of the building. And here is a CB. As you can see, the yellow in the edge of the stamp here and the yellow on top of the building here. And this is a BB stamp with the yellow on top of the building on both stamps. This is 80% of the stamps. The plate block on the upper left looks like this. This is the AB, AB. These are fairly scarce. They're not as plentiful as you think because only the AB and there's only very few of them per sheet, 1 per sheet. And here's the lower left here with the same, the AB with the yellow inverted. Here is the upper right. As you can see, the yellow inverted, and these are BBs. And this is the lower right BB with the yellow inverted. As I mentioned, there was 40,270,000 of these stamps issued. This is the inverted stamps. The catalog value runs about 25 cents each, new or used. Face value, $2 for a sheet, and catalog value at 25 cents would be about $12.50 for a new sheet. But the A stamp equals 10% of the stamps, or 4 million. The C stamp equals 10%, or 4 million. The AB pairs and the CB pairs equal 20% each, about 400,000, which really, in reality, they're way undervalued. I estimate the AC stamps should be about $1 plus new. The AB and the CB pairs should be about $5 each new. Blocks of 4 AB and CB should be about $10, and plate blocks should be $25 or more, which is really probably realistically their value. If you like this video and you'd like to see more, there will be more, because I'm going to do 2 more variations on the stamps on the Dag Hammarskjold. You're going to see some variations, and we're going to talk about the first day covers. So if you like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.